Hello guys, welcome to my channel Sports Info Now. Here we are with today's edition of WWE Rumors Roundup. We bring some fresh and latest WWE news and updates, including Johnny Gargano and Candice LeRae possibly call up on main roster, while CM Punk returns to popular ECW arena, and other more WWE stories and updates. Before we start the video, we request you to please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for instant video notification. So without further ado, let's start today's edition of WWE Rumors and Roundup. From this week's SmackDown episode, WWE Draft 2020 is set to begin. This draft ends next week's Raw episode. There are still confusion over NXT involvement in this year's draft edition. Even Triple H told that he doesn't know anything about NXT brand involvement this year's draft. Now WWE rumors and spoilers stated that we possibly see top 2 NXT superstar being called upon main roster this year by Vince McMahon. Last Sunday at NXT TakeOver 31st, both Johnny Gargano and Candice LeRae lost their respective championship match against Damian Priest and Io Shirai. So now it's right time to call them up on the main roster, either on Raw or SmackDown. The main roster call up for both superstars would be upon Vince McMahon. It's all Vince McMahon's decision to take them on the either Raw or SmackDown. If Vince McMahon see them as a heel couple, then Raw is a good option for them. But if Vince see them as a face superstar, then SmackDown is a good option for them. Number 4 is CM Punk return to popular ECW arena. After leaving WWE a few years back, CM Punk tried his hands in mixed martial arts. Even Punk wrestled 2 fights in UFC promotion, but unfortunately he lost both of them. After that, he never competed in UFC or any other pro wrestling promotion. Now WWE latest news and updates suggested that CM Punk will be making an appearance in 2 Cage Fury Fighting Championship show later this month. Interesting thing is CM Punk make his return to the iconic ECW arena, but this is under CFFC banner. CM Punk is a big and popular name in pro wrestling world, and he works in different promotions for many years before he leaves pro wrestling world. CM Punk gives many memorable moments when he worked under ECW banner and also become ECW World Champion. 29th and 13th October are dates when CM Punk made his return to the historic ECW arena under different banner called CFFC and gives commentary in 2 shows. This is not just a rumor, but it is true news because CM Punk himself confirmed this news on social media. Number 3 is WWE made a huge announcement for SmackDown Mystery Hacker. This week on Raw, we saw that WWE revealed Mustafa Ali as a Retribution leader. After the revelation, fans want to know about what does with WWE SmackDown Mystery Hacker storyline now. It's been months that we did not see any progress in Mystery Hacker storyline on Blue Brand. WWE looked like acknowledged Mystery Hacker storyline on social media. WWE's revelation on social media somewhat confirmed that Mustafa Ali could be the hacker. Early WWE also suggested that Mustafa Ali is superstar who could be revealed as a mystery hacker on Blue Brand. Months before WWE ran the storyline of mystery hacker on SmackDown, we saw that some mystery men sent out cryptic messages to the roster. We also see some glitches during SmackDown's episodes. Fans are very curious now that who is all behind this. But due to some unknown reason, WWE dropped the hacker storyline and stopped airing those vignettes. One of big revelation and involvement of Mystery Hacker in the storyline on Blue Brand is Mandy Rose, Sonya Deville and Dolph Ziggler trio storyline, where Hacker revealed that the secret of Sonya Deville and Dolph Ziggler would reach the Mandy Rose. Number 2 is WWE planned a few storyline for Otis Money in the Bank briefcase. We all know that Money in the Bank 2020 Otis dramatically won men's Money in the Bank briefcase. WWE's decision shocked everyone because Otis was nowhere near the line who win Money in the Bank briefcase. Now WWE look like lost hope on Otis Money in the Bank briefcase cash-in. After Money in the Bank 2020, WWE not able to plan proper way of Otis cash-in. Every occasion WWE look clueless on Otis cash-in Money in the Bank contract. Now WWE teased that they're going to take off Money in the Bank contract from Otis. Otis involved in a feud with Miz and Morrison right now on Blue Brand. These feuds all focused on Otis Money in the Bank briefcase. Both Miz and Morrison tried to somehow they stole briefcase of Money in the Bank from Otis. Now WWE news and updates stated that WWE creative team pitched several ideas to take off briefcase from Otis, but Vince McMahon is not convinced with those ideas and wants to keep the briefcase on Otis' hand. Number 1 is Raw superstar Eric undergo for arm surgery. Former NXT and Raw Tag Team Champion Eric revealed on social media that he has undergone for his arm surgery. He also said that he had to remove some surgical hardware from his arm. Eric also thanked his doctor and told that he has been putting off his arm surgery for some time now. He also worked through pain and limitation which was caused by surgical screw which put in his triceps. Now surgery comes into take place when Eric meets with motorbike incident in 2014. Lastly, we saw Eric in WWE ring a couple of weeks back on Raw Underground segment where he wrestled against Riddick Moss. This could be a right time for Eric to do surgery on his arm because his tag team partner Ivar already injured and suffered from a clavicle injury. Ivar and Eric both are in a recovery stage right now and recover very well from their respective injuries and surgeries. These are the whole WWE news, rumors, update and spoilers from the edition of WWE Rumors Roundup. Hope you all enjoying it. So see you guys in our next video. But before you leave, please do like, subscribe, share, comment and press the bell icon for instant video notification.